imagine a whole Mpumelelo hitting his chest, guys, as Shai's Fuba basically saying that Utireno will stay. He basically said that he has one who is fighting against what he's doing, and obviously speaking about Uvuyogazi fighting against this whole thing of him wanting to take Istembu, the way he's doing it. And then he says that, and I have one who's not against it at all. He says Utirelo is not against polygamy and the way he's going about Istembu cycle at all. Hey, and I'm just like, hey, but I'm just like, no, man. No, Tirela, there's something that you are doing behind doors, behind closed doors, which you are not showing to us. That is giving Umpumelelo the impression that no matter what, you are going to stay. At this point, I am convinced that Utirelo is the type of guy that lets Umpumelelo do whatever he wants, whenever he wants, and acts as if she's unbothered. But I'm just like, ma'am, for how long are you going to do this and at what cost? Because eventually it's going to catch up with you. Eventually it's going to catch up with you. I'm like, from Pumelelo to be so bold, you guys, to be so proud that's why she's not going anyway. Hey, you know what, ne? In all honesty, I feel like now that Uvuyogas is out of the picture, things are a bit quiet. Utirelo seems like she's a bit settled and not really settled, guys. It seems like she's a bit settled in her relationship. Wait up until there's someone else in this whole situationship. Because I'm just like, I don't get it, you guys. Utirelo comes out here and she'll speak about, Bayena don't like she'll speak against the stuff Umpumelelo does and look like or seem like she's keeping him accountable, but it doesn't look like it because the way Umpumelelo is so sure of Utirelo. Hey, book guys, no. In a situation like this, a man should be not he should not be so sure about you staying like that, or else he goes on and does his nonsense, knowing that no matter what you do, you are gonna stay. That is not healthy at all. And I feel like if Utirelo is not careful, she's gonna turn into, she's gonna turn into something like Utobile. Turn into Tobile, because Utobile is the one wife of Umu Samselegu that basically agrees to almost anything Musamselewu does because that's his vision. But except with Utobile, I feel like with Utobile, at least she has the personality for it. Do you understand what I'm saying? She has the personality for it, and she's obviously grown now. Utobile has a career that she can focus on that maybe takes her mind off like certain things. But Utirelo, guys, I don't think Utirelo has that personality to be a Makumal. Do you understand what I'm saying? I don't think so, because Uma Kumalo, she's the type of girl that as long as she's doing it for her man, she will do it gracefully. She will not show attitude the way Uma Kumalo served Umatlele. No, regardless of how Umatlele was treating her, she served Umatlele because that was a request from her husband. Utireno, I don't see Utireno serving uMatlelo uLokuzana uNosipho uNosipho Cele. I don't see Utireno serving uNosipho Cele should Mpumelelo Oscar. Already when Uvuyogazi was around, Utireno was the one who's always causing drama, commotion. I'm like, it's not matching the vibes that you are giving, when you're with your man, or the vibes that it looks like you're giving when you're with your man, and those are the vibes that, yes, your vision, I support it, versus the way you act is not matching. Because the way she acts when there's other women around, or let me speak about it, and she was with Uvuyogazi, she acted as if she was fine in her relationship, but every chance she got, she tried to make sure that she agitated Uvuyogazi. And I'm like, was that a stunt to try and kuruza and move Uvuyokazi? Or I don't get Utirelo's strategy. I feel like Utirelo acts like she's okay with polygamy, but she doesn't look like a girl who's okay with polygamy, you guys. Yeah. Hi, Utirelo shame. If she doesn't kuza this thing, usengxakini. If she doesn't kuza this whole thing, Mpumelelo should not be that comfortable. She herself cannot even speak the same words about Mpumelelo that he's not going anywhere. How sure is she about that? But Mpumelelo on his end, he still says he wants 7 women. Hi guys. Lanizithandeni guys, because yay, abafana the boys. Hehe. Bari abafana the boys kima Illuminati guys. Bari kima 666. So please, ala niznagegeleni, please. Anyway, guys, please tell me what you think about this video. Please do like this video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you on the next one.